What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy NikeLab coming at you guys with another unboxing. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the content. I have a ton of content on NikeLab. Now, today we're going to be looking at a tee that released exclusively in New York at their 21M store. Let's get into it. So here we go. Now, if you guys don't know, NikeLab only has like 6 stores worldwide. I'm not sure of all the exact locations. I know that there's one in Paris. I know one in Milan, of course, New York, and Shanghai, and maybe Tokyo. It's at 5. So I guess I'm missing one. There's a 5th location, and this one released only in New York. Set that to the side. Now, this is a super weird tee. It's actually nothing crazy, nothing off of like NikeLab quality. It's more just a print. Here it is. I've never seen this tee before. This is like the first time. So I purchased this piece in a double XL. It looks almost pink. It doesn't look white. And this is one of just like those Nike dry fit tees that are gonna kind of get room and they kind of shrink and everything. So it's really just bought for print. It has 10 at the door, I believe. Oh yeah, 10 door, 10 years at 21M. So it's like, what's kind of special to them. I'm not really sure what this hand represents. I guess like maybe in like an artistic, I guess creative side from the 21M. And it looks super interesting, not gonna lie to you. I don't think this looks like a normal Nike tee. And the only branding you'd have is on the back, which was like the sideways swoosh. And the quality of the tee, like I said, is not that good. I really just bought this for the print. I actually have a couple tees that are like this, where they're just made on a normal dry fit Nike tee, which kind of sucks because they put like the dopest print on these, but then they put it on like a crappy shirt. So the shirt like wears super weird. I actually bought this for like a little project that I'm doing. I'm doing like a customs on a couple tees that I have, but I didn't realize this was like pink. So that's super weird. I'll drop the product number for you guys. I don't know if it has one, but I'll do it again. Here's another overview. It looks like this tee kind of shrank a little bit and it's like a little wide. Although it does have the tag for the product number, I'm not sure if this is gonna be something you'll be able to look up because the product number looks weird. So it may just be one that you're not gonna be able to find like that. But if you type it in, I think I did see another tee that was like this. I think there was like one online. I got this one super cheap for like 25 bucks. So I figured why not go for it. It's super interesting. Doesn't even really look like a Nike tee. That print on the front is weird. To be honest with you, the hand, the drawing, and the 21M. It's super dope that Nike does stuff like this. I wish I was more in the area where I could get something like this, because they do this in like Chicago, they do it in New York. And I think those are the only 2 places that have like these exclusive tee drops. So that's kind of dope. It just says that I'm not in the area to be able to get them. I have to pay like resale, I have to find them because I really don't know about it. Because there's really not much information on a tee like this, so it's hard for me to find. But it's dope that I'm able to get my hands on it, like I said. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, this will probably be custom. It's not as bad as I thought. I thought it was gonna look a little worse. I was gonna probably just maybe bleach it or something like that. So I don't know yet. I'll get you guys a try on though to show you guys how it fits. I'm gonna wash it and get it all cleaned up. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you stay tuned for more NikeLab and Nike Tech content. I also have a bunch of unboxings. Thank you guys for watching. I'm out.